students, today we will be discussing the unit 2, living things in their environment. In this lesson we will learn what is a habitat, what is adaptation, and how to group living things, and about food chains, and also about the pollution of the environment. Habitat. What is habitat? You and I have a home to stay. We eat there, we sleep there, then when it is raining, we find the shelter in our home. Like that, animals also have a habitat. Tigers and lions live in the jungle, fish live in the sea, and pets live in home. Like that, animals also have a habitat. A habitat is a place where an animal gets shelter and it can produce its offspring. Okay, then what is adaptation? These animals adapt to their environment or to their habitat. For example, camels. The camels have a hump on their back. They store fat in this hump. Whenever there is a scarcity of food, they can use this fat for nourishment. And also they can travel in the desert for a longer time period without water. And also these camels have long eyelashes. Why do these camels have long eyelashes? Because in the desert there is a lot of sand, and the sand can get into their eyes. To prevent this, they have long eyelashes. Then when we consider about fishes, fishes live in the water. They have fins to swim and they have gills to breathe. Like that, they have their own adaptations. Then let's consider a tiger. Tiger lives in the jungle, and it consumes food by consuming prey. So they have sharp teeth to tear the prey and to consume the food. Okay, now let's see how to group living things. Grouping living things means we can group living things based on similarities and differences. Now, for example, you can see in this dichotomous key, there is a lion, and there is a dog, and there is a parrot, and there is an eagle. Grouping living things. We can group animals based on their similarities and differences. I am going to show you an example. Now there are 4 animals: lion, dog, parrot, and eagle. Now I am going to group them. I am going to ask a question: are they birds? If your answer is yes, parrot and eagle will come under that. If your answer is no, lion and dog will come under that. Now, coming to this side, I am going to ask the question again: has it got feathers? Yes, both parrot and eagle have feathers. So both will come to that category. Now let's go to the other side. Now we have 2 animals, lion and dog. I want to group them again. Now I am going to ask the question: do they live in the jungle? Yes. Yes means you will have to put their lion. Then no means then you have to put dog. Okay. Now let's come to food chains. What is a food chain? Animals eat other animals for food. That connection is called a food chain. Here you can see there is a plant, there is a rabbit, and there is a lion. What happens? Receiving the energy from the sun, plant produces food, and the rabbit will come and eat the plant, and the lion will come and eat the rabbit. This is a food chain. Here the energy source is the sun, and plant is the producer, rabbit is the prey, and lion is the predator. Okay. Then pollution. What is pollution? We have a very beautiful environment around us. We human beings pollute this environment by dumping garbage and putting industrial waste into waterways. Like that, we pollute the environment. So in order to stop pollution, we have to preserve our environment. That's all. That's the end of the lesson. Thank you, and stay safe. If you have any doubts, you can call me and clarify them. God bless you.